All right, so we're building this out, and it's actually pretty much everything an algo trader needs. If you're an automated trader, I'm building out this dashboard here. You can see there's a ton of back tests. There's a couple that are unbelievably high, which is something that I have a very, very keen eye on, very raised eyebrow on. Anyways, a ton of code that the agents are back testing, and all the data for those back tests. Cool. There's got to be something fire in there. A data portal as well. Download the liquidation data, open interest data, use API calls, or download test data that was used on all of these back tests here. So we got the back test library, and every time I run my AI agents, it's going to fill this with more back tests. So if you're on this app here, well, you get all the code for all of these. You can see there's 114 back tests here. 26 data sources. Those data sources are in the data portal. Anyways, I'm going to keep working on this. We have the Poly Market page, which is so sick, dude. I can see all the sweeps on Poly Market, all the big bettors. I can see this guy just bet 70 racks on the Lakers versus Grizzlies. He's a gambler. I don't really like watching the sports betting stuff, even though I'm a sports guy, dude. It doesn't matter. I think they're too emotional, kind of like crypto traders. So I stay out the finance stuff too. Anyways, we can see everything. This guy just threw 171 racks on Sam Houston versus Louisiana Tech. What the hell? 171 racks? Oh, it's over. Okay. He probably threw it in at the end. He threw it at the end 1 day ago. Okay. So let's see what the time says here. 1 day ago, 1 day ago. Let's go ahead and see what it looks like on our terminal here. What's up, dude? 777. Much love to you. Let's go ahead here and see what it looks like. That's not it. This is it right here on our terminal. Oh, it turned off. That's why it's 1 day ago. I get it. Okay, I was a little scared right there. Anyways, we're able to see all the sweeps, all the no markets, the edge markets, the closing soon, the clusters. And then we get all the liquidation data. So waiting for live liquidation data. This is where I left off. So I want to work on this a little bit more. Yeah, let's do that. Okay, so first off, where is this? Okay, I actually have a bunch of questions. Okay, so I got a bunch of questions, dude. And I know my AI is gonna have the answers, so you don't even worry about it. Just sit back, relax, and enjoy the build. Enjoy the build. Okay, trade bots here. Okay, Poly Market trading bots. Okay, got that. We got this, the dashboard, backtest dash. I also want to pull up Luxy. Yeah, we're gonna do a whole thing today. So I've got this. I'll explain it all here. I've got this other AI thing. Chat, whatever. And it's fire. It's fire. Copy path, copy repo path. Okay, let's go ahead here and say new and then say CD. Okay, boom. Code dot. Yes. Beautiful. Got Luxy up. Where is she? Okay, I see her over there. There she is. Okay. So what I want to do here is 2 questions for you. Okay, first off, Moondev AI agents for trading. This is all open source, but I think I'm gonna make this front end into a new project because it's getting a little antiquated up in that business. It's too big, and I think that's gonna happen over and over again. I'm gonna build in public, and then when I see something that is buildable for something else, I might just build it. So I'm gonna put this up on the website right now. Possibly. I think this would be cool to be able to be accessible for at least bootcamp members. Log in with your Discord and be able to use this, get any data, get Poly Market data, get liquidation data, get all of my backtest code. These things are going to be great for bootcamp members that are trying to automate their trading. You can see the Halloween sale is still going on, but it will be closed tonight. It will be closed tonight. So that's $100 off. But that doesn't matter, dude, because I've got all the secrets I need in order to step on the gas today. So I'm excited, dude. Let's get it. Let's get it. I got to get Claude code over here as well. I got double Claude codes today because time is now, dude. Let's get it. C. Okay. Shout out to SRC for teaching me that, dude. Thank you. Okay, let's go ahead here and say Bring this on over, okay. And let's go to the main function file here. Let's go to the claude.md copy path. Copy path, explore that for me, thank you. Let's go ahead here and say, hey, let me hit a C with it, okay. Let's go ahead and say, okay, please look at my backtest dashboard. Backtest dashboard.py. And tell me the files it's dependent on. And what files I would need in order to pull out and put it into a new GitHub. I think this GitHub's getting a little too thick for it, and I would like to focus on this dashboard a bit. So what files is it dependent on? How would I structure it for a new GitHub? Yeah, go ahead and answer that. That's the first question. Now, the second question I have for you is I have this AI chat website that I use and is very useful, and it's a big project I built, but it's in TypeScript, I believe. And my question is, I want to merge the two. So this will, after you look at the backtest dashboard, you'll understand what's going on there. It's a bunch of data for algo traders or analyzing polymarket and things like that. Automated traders dashboard that has a bunch of tabs. But the AI chat I'm going to give you here in a second, has a very, very good chat interface, and I would like that to be a tab. So essentially I have to merge both projects. The tricky thing is this one's in Python, and the one that I'm showing you below with the AI chat, I think is in TypeScript. So this is the second question, but I want you to give me your best recommendation on how to merge these two. Do I merge this backtest dashboard into the Luxy dashboard, which is the AI chat, as it's probably a bigger project, or do I do it the other way around? What's more scalable? I'm going to continue to add new data sources, new apps, tabs, things that are useful for algo traders.